So we had reached at the point that we were looking for the net profit or loss, and you can see that when you subtract sales minus total costs, you get net profit or loss, and 50,000 minus 50,000 is 0, and I mentioned that that is the break-even point. And 60,000 minus 54,000 is 6,000, and that is a positive. That means that that is a profit. 70,000 minus 58,000 is 12,000. 80,000 minus 62,000 is 18,000. Then 90,000 minus 66,000 is 24,000. Then 100,000 minus 70,000 is 30,000. So we need to express this tabular table or tabular statement into a graph. So what you need is that you need to draw such a graph, or you need to have such a chart that has the y-axis and the x-axis. At the y-axis we have sales, so you can see the sales are expressed in thousand. So when you see 10 and I've written sales into brackets 000, that means that it is 10,000. Then at the x-axis we have the number of covers, and into brackets again 000, so that means that when you see 1, it is 1,000. So I want us to start off with the drawing of the graph. So I will use a pen for today, but you're supposed to use a pencil. So how do you draw? So I want you to look at your graph first, or your table first, then you draw on your graph. So you can see that at 1,000 customers we had 10,000 sales. So where is the 10,000 sales? The 10,000 sales is at this point. So you can make an X or a dot so that you can see from where are you going to be drawing your graph. So at again 2,000 customers or covers, we had 20,000 sales. 20,000 sales, that is the point. So you realize that you need to draw a very straight line. So I've drawn the 20,000 dot. Then at 4,000 covers we have at 4,000 covers we have 40,000. Sorry, at 3,000 we have skipped that. At 3,000 covers we have 30,000 sales. So repeat it at that point. Then at 4,000 covers we have 40,000 sales. So you keep on lighting or looking at the graph, the table, then you draw on the graph. So I hope I'm clear. So at 50,000, or after 50, at 5,000 we have 50,000. 50,000, it's there. Then at 6,000 we have 60,000. At 60,000, I'm trying to estimate because I am using a paper, not a graph paper. So I believe that even we might not have the graph paper, but even the Foolscap can give you the expression of the right graph. So at 7,000 we have 70,000. We have 70,000. So I'm trying as much as possible to make it a straight line. It's supposed to give us a straight line. Then at 8,000 we have 80,000. 8,000, we have 80,000. So that's that point. Then at 9,000 we have 90,000. We draw it at that point. Then at 10,000 we have 100,000. So I'm just going to place my phone on or my camera on the table, then I'm going to draw the straight line and you're going to see it.